What's up about this, babes? It's your girl Judy My Road, but as you can see, we're in the last dungeon. It's my favorite spot in the whole wide world, and we're getting complete, y'all. We're almost done. What's up about face, babes? It's your girl Judy My Road, but you already know, and if you don't, now you do, because we're gonna be putting it in your face all year round, forever about face, period. But your girl is back with another vloggy vlog. We're gonna finish up. I'm trying to finish up the shop, y'all. I have a lot of stuff I've been trying to do, and I'm just trying to get everything done. I've been procrastinating. We're gonna get it done. So my mindset, pretty much right now, I have in mind, I'm gonna put a sign that says you're like really pretty on this end of the wall, or they're on the end, and then somewhere over here, I'll make like a little selfie walk station for my girls. So I'm gonna put like a telephone, hitting it line, you know, put like girls sign, money bag, cause you know every girl loves money and loves to get that call about the money, okay, period. But I'm definitely gonna put that up. I'm debating, y'all, what I wanna do with the wall. Like, I'm really stuck with the wall. Like, I don't know if I want to do like the geometric wall, whatever I think it's called, with all of the crazy lines, or if I want to do the black and white stripe. I had the black and white stripe ideal in mind. Then I got the wallpaper. I'm like, forget this. Like, no, this is not it. Baby, I can't do nothing with this. It's gonna literally take 12 of these to fill that up. I don't have that much time. I'd rather just paint and get it over with. So that's what I'm thinking right now, but I know I'm gonna put an acrylic sign in this middle area right there. Definitely gonna be an acrylic sign. And over here in this area, I'm thinking I'm gonna move all of my lash stuff that I'm currently using over here. I'm gonna move all of that to the other side of the room where the grass wall is. And basically I'm gonna make this my esthetician side. Done talking. If you don't watch this far down the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, y'all. Everybody be looking, nobody ain't liking and subscribing. Go ahead and get your girl to 1,000. Please, come on, support the girl. Yeah, that's about it. We're gonna get into the video. As y'all can see, I did have some clients, so I went on and completed my client. Now we're gonna start on the snack cart. I did want refreshments because if I did have somebody waiting, I decided, you know, they can at least start on some refreshments, you know, so that way it won't really be a problem. I normally don't have anybody waiting, as I've already mentioned, but in case I am running behind at any time, because you know some of the clients will have you behind for the day, I will at least have the refreshments. So yeah, now we're gonna get into grass wall. These are the items that I pretty much got from Amazon. As you can see, that is the girls sign, also the money bag. Both neon lights came from Amazon. Basically all of these items came from Amazon, which I will be putting the link down below. And I am doing the time lapse of this because I didn't want to take up too much of y'all time. But you know, comment down below, let me know if y'all want to see longer videos. I just did the time lapse just to make it go ahead and go by, since it was a lot going on. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, tune in. Now I'm basically going in with the money sign. I'm thinking I'm put the girls sign. As you can see me now, I'm multitasking. But yeah, so that's what we're going through and doing. We're putting everything up. In the meantime, I am doing a little TikTok videos. So you see, I'm trying to multitask. Yeah, it's so pretty.
And I know y'all see that huge white line in the middle of my phone, but it's alright. I'm gonna get a new one. Y'all bear with me, because everything y'all see me doing, I'm doing with my hard-earned coins. So therefore, in the meantime, we're gonna stick to the old phone, because I'm got a new one pending, you know. But baby, they really had this thing packaged, because as you can see, it takes me a while to undo it, but I'm glad it was secure.
So it was all good until this part is all like coming off of here. That's so ugly. Oh no, that's the sticker, y'all. Okay, I was wondering. And it matches so good. So also in the kit, y'all, it came with instructions on how to put it together, as well as all of the supplies needed. Instructions.
Why did we get back to second because of me? What were you thinking? Probably should have leave her alone. Don't want shut up. Just leave her alone. Calm down. Be optimistic. Nothing is set in stone yet. Ha.
Gosh, I remember. Listen to me. Thanks to Miss Graberchick, my son stopped stuttering.
So it basically came with some clips and the chain, and I had to attach the chain to the sides, which it had holes for that as well. It was pretty simple to install, and the instructions was on the paper. So that's pretty much what I'm doing now.
The test results are here. Congratulations.
Basically going in and adjusting the signs, making sure that the pretty sign is in the right spot. So I'm just going through and adjusting that. I decided to go ahead and light it up like a Christmas tree around here. You see, they are shining bright, and I love the fact that on these signs it did have it where I can adjust the brightness. So that was a really good plus for me. Just in case I'm doing any content and I feel like it's too bright. But that's all this round. Don't forget to like and subscribe.